Hi, in this presentation, I will be discussing the use of statistics in botany, an area where mathematical analysis plays a vital role in understanding the biology of plants and their interactions with the environment. Botany, though rooted in the natural sciences, increasingly relies on statistical tools to draw meaningful conclusions from experimental data and field observation. Statistics in botany serve a core purpose to bring objectivity and reliability to plant science research. Whether botanists are studying plant growth, disease resistance, ecological interactions, or genetic variation, they must collect and interpret data. Here, statistics provide the framework to design experiments, properly analyze variability within plant populations, and determine whether observed differences are significant or due to chance. Without statistics, many of the conclusions we draw about plants and ecosystems would lack the scientific rigor required for publication, policy making, or practical application. Let's now explore some of the key ways statistics are used in botanical studies. Number one is experimental design. Statistical methods help design controlled experiments such as randomized block designs or factorial experiments used to test factors like fertilizer type, light exposure, or soil composition on plant growth. Number two is analysis of various, also called ANOVA. This technique is often used to compare growth rates, yield, or biochemical responses between multiple plant groups under different conditions. It helps determine whether the differences are statistically significant. Number three is regression analysis. Botanists use regression to model relationships, for example, between sunlight and photosynthetic rate or water availability and biomass. This helps predict plant responses to changing environments. Number four is ecological statistics. When studying plant communities, statistical measures such as species diversity indices, density estimates, and spatial distribution models help ecologists understand biodiversity and ecosystem health. Number five and last example is genetic and plant breeding. Statistical genetics allows researchers to analyze inheritance patterns, identify quantitative trait loci, short QTL, and assesses genotype environment interactions, which is crucial for developing high yield or climate resilient crops. The role of software and model tools is also very important. Statistical analysis in botany is supported by various software tools such as R, SPSS, SAS, and Python. These tools allow researchers to manage large datasets, perform complex analysis, and visualize results effectively. Moreover, as fields like bioinformatics and environmental modeling grow, the demand for statistical literacy among botanists is higher than ever. There are few limitations, and also we have to use it responsible responsibly in real life. It's also important to note that while statistics provide clarity, they are not infallible. Misinterpretation of data, incorrect model selection, or biased sampling can lead to erroneous conclusions. Hence, statistical analysis must be used carefully with proper training and scientific judgment. In conclusion, statistics are not just supplementary tool in botany, They are essential for transforming observations into reliable, actionable knowledge. They allow us to test hypotheses, draw meaningful inferences, and contribute to the broader understanding of plant life and its role in sustaining ecosystem. Thank you for your attention.